Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Vanishri. Today I am talking about time management. My presentation heading is time management. I divided my presentation into two parts. One is what is time management, and the second one is how to do time management. So let's. If you have any doubt regarding my presentation, feel free to ask any questions in my during my presentation. So let's get started. Whether it's the best of times or worst of times, it's only time we have got. So my first point is what is time management. So time management is a process that you have to organize and planning how to allot time between your activities and works. So if you know uh, time management very well, then it helps you to manage your limited time more effectively and productively. So my second point is, I get into my second point, that is how to do time management. One quote is there, that is the bad news is time flies, but the good news is you are the pilot. So if you know if you know about how to manage your time, then you can easily get good productivity in your work. So I listed some of points about how to manage our time. The first one is list all of your tasks, and second one is prioritize the task, and third one is schedule the task, and fourth one is learn how to say no, and the fifth one is avoid multitasking. I come to my first point, that is list your all the works, and that means if you have many works in a day or in a month, in a week, so you have to list it first. What are the things I have to do this one particular time? So you have to first list it the task or work, and the second one is prioritize the task. Once you listed the task, then you have to prioritize which one is more important, which one is most important, which one is more important, which one is less important. Like that, you have to prioritize your work. And the third one is schedule the task. First you have to list it, and after that you have to prioritize the work, and third one is scheduling. Scheduling means schedule the work means when you know the work, what are the work you have to do in a day or in a week, and also you know the importance of that work. So then you have to schedule the work. That means how do I manage, or how much time I have to give for this work, and when I have to complete this work. Like this, you have to schedule the works. And the fourth one is learn how to say no. It's very important. We are all doing first 3 points easily. We are listing and prioritizing, and after that scheduling the work, everything. But the third one is, it's very difficult. Learn how to say no. Means if you are doing these 3 points, after doing the task, then distraction comes once you start the work. Distraction comes. It comes from your family or your friends, or it's by yourself also. Distraction comes. You are doing one work, it's very important, you have to complete today only, but somebody will call you, and telling you, and they are telling you, today we are going to shopping. Then then you are get distracted, and you leave that work, and you go for the shopping. Like this, it happen. Then you can't manage your time well. And also, by yourself also, it's very important. Distraction is from others is more than it's yourself also. You get more distracted. For example, you are you wanted to woke up early in the morning at 5 o'clock. Then your alarm is ringing at 5 o'clock, and you just turn off the alarm, and again you are sleeping. So just 5 minutes I will after that I will woke up. Like that your like that distraction comes. That means our mind is very powerful. So if you control our mind, then only we can manage our time effectively. For in that situation, you have to learn how to say no. No, today I have a very important work, so I can't come for shopping, like that. Or no, it's a time for otherwise. At 5 o'clock, no, I have a work to complete before 8 o'clock, so I have to wake up at 5 o'clock only. Like that, you have to say no to your mind and to your family, friends, anyone. So that's why it's very important. The fourth point is very important, and the fifth point is avoid multitasking. If you are doing multitasking at one time, you can't concentrate on one particular task. So that's why you have to avoid multitask. So apply these points, or these points, and you can easily manage your time very well and effectively, and it leads you to work smarter than harder. So I concluded my presentation by saying one quote. It's said by Abdul Kalam. Time is slow when you are wait. Time is fast when you are late. Time is short when you are happy. Time is endless when you are in pain. Time is like a currency. Be careful how to spend it. Thank you.